Hi, Murphy. Hi, Murphy. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Murphy. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Murphy. Hi, Murphy. Ah! Hello? Oh! It's a mess. It's a mess in here. Little panda. Someone's knocking on the door, Jax. Open the door. It's Miss Bunny Rabbit.
I literally eat a PA.
Hello.
Okay.
Who's there? Oh, wait, there's a bunny. Hi, Miss Bunny. How are you? How are you today? Oh, Mrs. Panda Bear? There she is. Hi, Miss Bunny. Hello, how are you?
Mommy!
Hello.
Again.
Whoa!
Woohoo!
Whoa!
Woo! Hi guys. Today I did the kid slime.
What are you doing?
Slime.
You gonna make some slime?
Yeah.
Alright, pour it down. Whoa!
Okay, you. Oh gosh. Yeah.
Whoa! Is it slippery?
Yeah. Okay. Here you go.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, today we're gonna do antacid and water.
Yeah.
We put these white tablets in the water. We got a cool little light bulb container, and when we put it in the water, it's gonna make a chemical reaction, and it's gonna fizz all over the place. Are you ready, Jackson?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Do that again.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
All right, Jackson, are you ready to count?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3.
There they go.
Wait! Where did it go? Oh gosh! Up here, guys!
Look at it. Look at him in there.
Wow!
Oh, here goes the blue one.
Oh my gosh,
Look at that. Whoa.
What's happening?
It's a chemical reaction. Faster, go faster, go, 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 go.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna come up on the top.
Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, good.
Go.
Oh, it's up.
Go, 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 go. Oh, it looks like a lot of light color.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Up, right up with the guy. Up with the guy.
What's going on? Whoa. Whoa!
Up with the guy. Oh, here.